Welcome to the Beast Cars, the ultimate destination for speed, style, and power. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing outside your window, opening your door, and realizing your bedroom, your kitchen, and your entire home is sitting on four wheels, ready to go anywhere. No hotels, no bookings, no limits. This is the freedom promised by the Ford Transit Camper Van 2026. And once you experience it, normal travel will never feel the same again. The Ford Motor Company Transit has always been known as one of the most reliable and versatile vans in the world. But the 2026 Transit Camper Van takes that legacy and transforms it into something far more powerful, a complete mobile living experience. This is not just a vehicle. This is a fully functional home designed to give you total independence, whether you're exploring mountains, beaches, forests, or cities. The sliding side door provides easy entry and exit, while the rear doors open wide, allowing access to storage, equipment, and sleeping areas. Many camper builds include roof racks, solar panels, LED light bars, and awnings. These additions turn the Transit into a fully independent off-grid home capable of surviving for days or even weeks without external support. But the true magic begins when you step inside. The interior of the Transit Camper Van is where engineering meets lifestyle. Depending on the conversion, you'll find a comfortable sleeping bed designed for two people. The mattress is thick, supportive, and perfect for long-term travel. Above and below the bed, smart storage compartments allow you to store clothes, tools, and personal items efficiently. But the most exciting and life-changing feature of the Transit Camper Van is its fully functional kitchen. The kitchen transforms this van from a vehicle into a real home. Most Transit camper vans include a built-in gas or induction stove. This allows you to cook real meals anytime, anywhere. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you have complete control over your food. You are no longer dependent on restaurants or fast food. There's also a water system with fresh water and wastewater tanks. This allows you to wash dishes, clean up, and maintain hygiene no matter where you are. Some advanced builds even include indoor showers, turning the van into a complete self-sustaining living space. Lighting inside the Transit Camper Van is carefully designed. LED ambient lighting creates a warm, comfortable atmosphere during the night. Large windows allow natural sunlight to enter during the day, making the interior feel open and inviting. The sleeping area is typically located at the rear of the van, positioned to maximize space, privacy, and comfort. The moment you look at it, you realize this is not temporary sleeping. This is permanent level comfort. The bed is usually a full-size or queen-size mattress designed specifically for camper living. Let's start with the heart of this machine, the engine. The 2026 Ford Transit Camper Van comes equipped with a powerful 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine. This twin-turbocharged engine produces approximately 310 horsepower and 542 newton-meters of torque. That means even with the full camper conversion, furniture, equipment, and supplies, this van moves with confidence and strength. Acceleration feels smooth and effortless. Whether you're climbing steep mountain roads or cruising on highways, the Transit delivers reliable performance every time. There's also an optional naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 engine for those who prefer simpler engineering with excellent durability. The 10-speed automatic transmission is another major advantage. Gear shifts are incredibly smooth, helping both improve performance and fuel efficiency. The intelligent gear ratios ensure the engine always operates at optimal efficiency, reducing strain and making long journeys more comfortable. And if your adventure takes you off the beaten path, the available all-wheel drive system becomes a game changer. This system improves traction on mud, snow, sand, and rough terrain, giving you confidence to explore places where normal camper vans cannot go. This transforms the Transit from a simple road vehicle into a true adventure machine.